So first thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to go to crucial.com, and then you're going to want to click on this section here that says Upgrade my computer. And then from there, you'll go ahead and click on this section here that says Crucial Scanner. Then click Let's Get Started. So next you want to go ahead and click I agree on the terms and conditions and click Start your free scan. And once that's done, it's going to download an exe file. If you do want, you can go ahead and scan the tool with your favorite antivirus just to ensure it's safe. I'm going to go ahead and run it now. And then what that's doing now is it's running and it's analyzing all the compatible upgrades from my machine. And that should generate a profile shortly here. Okay, so once the scan results have been completed, it gives you a nice little profile or a report here pertaining to your machine. So as you can see, I currently have a Z440 here, and I guess Crucial, when they did the scan, they said mine is one of the fastest they've seen. I have a hint as to why that might be the case, but I'll show you that later. So if I keep scrolling down here, this is currently what I have installed in my Z440. It is a Crucial SSD, and I guess this is what triggered them to make this comment. I don't know for sure, but that's just my suggestion, my thought process. But yeah, it tells me if I do have any sort of Crucial SSDs or hard drives or memory in my machine, and that's highlighted here. And if I scroll a little bit further down, it gives me more information about my particular workstation. So regarding the memory, I do have two 8 gig DIMMs of memory installed, Samsung memory. And what's great is it tells me how much slots I have left available, which is 6. And I do have a total of 8 slots, and I can go right up to a maximum memory capacity of 256 gigs. Again, this is a workstation, so I do get that server-like memory maximum capacity there. If I go over to storage, again, this is telling me the sort of hard drive that I do have installed on my machine. And if I go through the rest here, it just tells me what processor I currently have installed. About this scan, I can share this scan result with anyone I choose. And the upgrade advice here, if you want to read them, then that's fine. But the information that you're going to be looking for is in the next section here, which is all the compatible memory for your machine. So right now they're highlighting the different memory DIMMs that you can use. You have 8 gigs, you have 16 gigs, all made by Micron here, all the way up to 32. And then you can also check and see what SSDs are compatible for your machine as well, or your PC as well. And they've highlighted them here. So yeah, this is a very great tool. Yeah, they even have external hard drives if you wish, which is compatible, and that's fine. So that's one way to do it, to use the tool or the software itself. I'm going to hop back on the website here shortly, and then I'm also going to show you how to use their drop down. If you do have like one of these older type machines from HP, Dell, etc., and you're not comfortable with running the executable file on your machine for security reasons, of course, I'm going to show you the other way to do that. So I'll be back here shortly. Okay, so I am back on the Crucial main page, crucial.com, and then if you're not comfortable with running that exe file again on your machine, the second method you could do is just search for the PC or the workstation that you're currently using. So let me go ahead and click Upgrade my computer here, and I'm going to use the Upgrade Finder tool. So what I'm going to do is search for my manufacturer, which is HP. And then I should be able to find the model here. If I scroll a little bit further down, it is a Z440. So if I keep looking here, yeah, here we go, HP Z series workstations. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I should see Z440 here. Perfect. And then I click that as well. And yeah, I get the information that I need. Again, it's not in depth as the other scan that I did when I used the tool, but it gets you the information that you need. It's a shorter, more condensed version of the information, but everything is needed is here as well. So again, it tells you how much is the maximum amount of memory that your workstation or your PC can support. It tells you how much slots are available. Okay, then next down here, you have your upgrade advice with all the different articles. You can follow them if you need to. But here's all the information that you need that you saw previously, and that contains all the compatible upgrades in terms of memory. You have your 8 gig DIMM slots here. You have your 16 gig DIMM slots and your 32 gig DIMM slots available as well. That's all compatible for my particular workstation. If I scroll back up, if I head over to internal SSDs, again, it's the same SSDs that are compatible for my particular workstation as well. So again, this is the review of the Crucial System Scanner tool. Hope you all found the video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.